Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily recover deleted photos on your iPhone. So let's get started. And the first off, open up Photos app. And then let me just delete some photo. As you can see, the photo has just been removed. However, the key here is that once you have deleted a photo, it is not actually deleted permanently, but moved to the recently deleted album. To find that album, go to Albums. Scroll down to the very bottom, where we can find the recently deleted. Click the recently deleted. If we get into it, we'll see all the photos we have deleted in the last 30 days. All the photos will stay in this album for 30 days, during which they can be restored after 30 days. The photos will be deleted automatically and permanently. If you want to restore one single photo, just tap on it, and then tap it Recover, and then Recover Photo. After that photo will be moved to your main album. So congratulations, you have successfully recovered your photo. So do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.